Today, we're creating an AI-powered Christmas blessing video, something you can share with your friends and family to truly surprise them this Christmas. But before we get started, let's watch a few previews.
Jingle bells, Christmas time is here. Happy fun for everyone, let's spread some joyful cheer. Twinkling lights, shining bright, snowflakes in the air.
Wishing all colleagues, mentors, and friends, whether you're on duty or spending precious moments with loved ones, a Christmas filled with joy, warmth, and good health.
Guys, the kind of blessing video you just watched, you can create the exact same one yourself in just 1 minute. I'll show you how, and trust me, it's super easy to make, so this time don't share the same old boring text messages or static images. This Christmas, create and share a warm, personalized blessing video and truly surprise your friends and family. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started and I'll teach you step by step how to create a beautiful Merry Christmas video in minutes. Before we move ahead, let me tell you one important thing. The link is given in the video description and the pinned comment. When you click on that link, this website will open. Now tap on the 3 dots at the top and switch it to desktop side so you can see and use all the features easily. Guys, it's very simple. Just watch the full video once and you'll be able to create this on your own without any problem. Now click on login. Then click on sign up, enter your email ID and password and complete the sign up process. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you can either click on the banner at the top or you can also click directly on the Christmas option. Now in step 1, click on upload photo and upload your photo. The photo can be in any ratio. Once the photo is uploaded, move to step 2. Here you can choose a specific template category like music, blessing, or you can simply keep it on all. Just below that, you'll also see options for male and female which you can select accordingly. You'll find a lot of templates here and honestly they're amazing. You can play them one by one, preview them and select the one you like the most. Then in step 3, click on more music. You'll get plenty of music options and you can choose any one of them. If you want, you can also click on this option and add your own custom blessing audio. Now you can either skip step 4 or for better results, you can add a prompt. You'll find this prompt in the description. Just copy it from there and paste it here. After that, select resolution and then click on generate. Within a minute, your video will be ready. Let's play it once and see how it looks.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everyone. I hope you all have a beautiful time with your families. Lots of love, best wishes, and blessings to yours.
Guys, let's create one more video as well. First of all, we'll upload a photo, then we'll select a nice template. We'll keep the audio as it is this time, but as I mentioned earlier, you can change it if you want. After that, we'll paste the prompt and click on generate. And guys, the video is ready. Let's play it and check it out. Honestly, it looks absolutely amazing. The website link is in the description. Make sure you try it at least once. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.